Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign in into Steam account. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you can see we have this login button into the top toolbar. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, now here you will get this kind of a prompt. So you just need to sign it with account name. So you just need to provide your username in here. So my username is this one. So as you can see it, so here you just need to provide your password. So I'm going to give my password in here. So let's complete the password, and already been done. You just need to click on sign in. Once you click over here, then you will eventually get an verification code. So you just need to check your Gmail, and then you will get your verification code. You can see we already get this verification code. I will copy this one and paste it here, and now here actually you can see it already been logged in here. So this is the easiest way to sign in your Steam account. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. We'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.